from seogwipo. Today is officially, I think, our full official day in seogwipo. So it's quite gloomy as the whole month is this month in Jeju, but we're planning to go to a cafe and waterfall and just take it slow. Honestly, probably gonna end the night early today because we did so much yesterday. But yeah, welcome to another day in Jeju. We made it to Jongbang Falls. Super pretty! The falls is actually the other way, but wow, she's so zoomed in. I don't know if you guys can see, but the falls are somewhere down there. Initially we're going to a cafe first, but the weather seems like it's gonna rain again, so we're gonna head to the falls and then cafe. And now I need to watch my steps. Ah, there's a fall.
This is not the proper shoes to wear.
Don't wear heels! Oh my gosh. Wear your mask, guys. There's no one around.
We finished taking pictures. Shout out to Helen. It was definitely a struggle because I wore the wrong shoes, like I always do. Honestly, even when I went to the beach, I had heels. I'm just not the smartest, but here's the falls. It's so pretty.
Next time you go to Jeju, you know to pack your sneakers.
I know, I really didn't bring sneakers to Jeju. I thought summer, I thought, you know, but
it's the rock.
yeah. Surprisingly, it's very cool. It's not too hot. It's definitely humid, but it's a very cool weather. I mean, usually it's super hot, but it's great. Out of breath walking to the top. We're on our way to Honeymoon House Cafe. It's quite popular, super nice, super pretty. Honestly, just walking up the stairs and just crawling on the rocks at the falls, I'm exhausted. We've only done one thing today, and we're like, it's over, it's done. Exercise, but
up the stairs, honestly.
yeah, my thighs are like jello right now, and I got a mosquito bite. Lovely. But let's go to the cafe. Wow, are we in California? Welcome to my crib.
MTV.
It's quite a walk. So pretty.
This ginger tea reminds me of my mom. Wants me to drink when my stomach doesn't feel well.
Because I've been feeling a little like, we didn't even drink on this trip yet. I've been really craving ginger tea. Oh my god, this has to save me, honestly. Also got vegetable sandwiches because I feel like I need veggies. And this is the only way I'm getting them. Back from souvenir shopping, and basically I just grabbed things that are very Jeju-esque. This is very popular, and this is actually a service gift. I bought scrunchies for my sister, my mom, a little one for me, and soju for my father, but I don't know if I can send this, but we'll figure that out. Finally, a nice like cute kitchen towel decor, and then these Hershey things that I've never seen before. Now we're just gonna relax and stay in the hotel because we are absolutely tired. Since we're tired, we're gonna have our nevertheless episode chicken, halabang juice, and our soto, which I don't want to open actually, but soto. Good morning. It is day, I have no clue, day 3? 4?
It's basically our last full day in Jeju.
Yeah, it's our last full day in Jeju, and luckily the weather is, she's a little gloomy, but it's not as bad as it was like pouring.
Turn left.
Oh. It was pouring way too much this morning, but now we're headed out to finally get lunch. Honestly, Helen and I had so many, we were just laying there like, don't know where to go, what to eat, because a lot of places are closed today. So we did pick a restaurant, and it's not like the #1 choice, but it is what it is, and I'm excited nonetheless. The guy was super nice to make sure that we knew they were open. And afterwards, we're going to head to the cliffs area. I forgot the Korean name of it.
Ahead. Turn left.
But we will do that afterwards because it should be like not raining later, and there's no wood that I can knock on. I'm so sorry. But with that,
Turn left.
this is me in my intro and the GPS, and honestly we have no food or caffeine in our system right now. So anyways, it's funny because like even though I'm not driving, my eyes and my anxiety is like I'm watching the road, and that's what I should do in a little bit. But I just wanted to update you guys in the vlog that we are headed to lunch because that's what I should do. And with that, I will see you guys later. So cute. Yes. To the restaurant, literally in the middle of nowhere. We're finally at the restaurant, and it's a super cute vibe, very homey, very like family style, I feel like. Helen's cutting the octopus, but I was really craving like pasta with a little octopus on top. It's quite popular in Jeju, but for some reason it was hard to find a place, and today's actually a Korean holiday, so places are kind of closed. So luckily this place is open, and now it's time to eat and then heading to the cliffs. This whole road, so we're gonna take photos and then head out soon. But yeah, Jeju! Guys, we're in youth. We automatically just press adult, but guys, youth. We have made it to the cliffs area. I need to look at the sign. You guys can see the sky is so blue and the sea is like clear. God really said the last day of my Jeju trip. Oh my gosh, I have to show you guys the sea. This is what I'm trying to see.
Either over there or over there.
Oh, wow. Actually already left the cliffs area. It's so windy. Oh my god, this is so chaotic, but super windy, and I didn't bring my portable fan this time because I thought it was not going to be hot at all. But very, very happy. The sky is blue and it's so sunny. This was so unexpected. It me with the sogis. Sogogi! Not the beef! We're at
Find myself falling and falling, crawling back to find myself falling and falling. Baby, hate how it controls me. Someone told me I'm just too consumed with my phone. Help me. I could use a break. Somebody give me peace of mind, 'cause every night I find myself falling and falling, crawling back to find myself falling and falling, crawling back to find myself falling and falling, crawling back to find myself falling.
It's our last full day in Jeju, so this is our last night in Jeju, and honestly, I look a little rough. It's been a long day, but the weather was amazing, and then right at the very end of our just chilling session at the cliff, it started to rain, so we headed on home. And yeah, this is it for the main parts of Jeju vlog. Tomorrow we're gonna head out and just like explore the area near the airport, but then we do have to drop off the car, and that's it. This trip was definitely much needed. It was hard for me to relax, but it was really relaxing nonetheless, and I'm glad that this was my first time in Jeju, even though it rained a lot. However, during the times when we wanted to take photos, everything was great, so it all worked out in the end, and I am ever so grateful and thankful for this. But now we are back to normal life very soon, and with that, I will see you tomorrow morning. It's our last day in Jeju, and we decided to go to these little rainbow walking road because it's a touristy thing, and we're going to head to a cafe right over there. But because it's travel day, it's my no makeup, no effort day, but last day in Jeju. Helen, how do we feel?
Very, very healed. Healing vlog.
Our view and last cafe in Jeju.
Find myself falling and falling, crawling back to find myself falling and falling. Baby, hate how it controls me. Someone told me I'm just too consumed with my phone.